December is perhaps the merriest month in the Philippines, aside from the obvious reason that is Christmas. Data from some church and city civil records in the National Statistics Office show that December has been a favorite wedding month. 2005 data from the NSO cited that there were more marriages in December than in June. It was also the third most preferred marrying month next to May and January. In 2007, the Quezon City Civil Registry issued more marriage licenses in December than in June. San Agustin Church and Manila Cathedral records of 2007 also showed more December weddings than June. Newlyweds Ederet and Mary Ann de la Cruz just joined the bandwagon. They tied the knot this weekend. The couple says getting married in December is very costly, but it's all worth it since almost all their loved ones made it.
Yung mga cousin ko na sa ibang bansa, pag December sila, nag-uuwian sila para medyo kumpleto kami.
Newlyweds Jenny Landia Tobias couldn't think of a better time to start their life together.
We decided to get married on this day kasi it's a nice start for us to get married, to have a new life together before Christmas.
So why have the December brides overtaken the June brides? Blame it on the weather. The rainy June month hinders couples from holding their wedding ceremonies or receptions outdoors.
Pagdating ng December, syempre masarap ikasal dahil malamig.
Trisha Zafra reporting on Q.
It's 3 days to go before Christmas. The Filipino Noche Buena is not complete with the queso de bola or the Edam cheese. This type of cheese was popular during the 14th to the 18th century, especially for travelers because it could mature very well and last a long time. Its name comes from the harbor of Edam where the cheese was widely sold. And those are the stories for today, December 22, 2008.
Sometimes to some people, the season to be jolly turns out to be a tragedy. Tears flowed from the eyes of former Speaker of the House Jose de Venecia as he was being interviewed by reporters in December of 2004.
Something very painful, So I am sure that she's now in heaven. She's now in heaven with the Lord. And we have accepted that already.
His daughter was trapped in their burning house in Dasmariñas Village, Makati City. The investigation revealed that the fire was caused by faulty Christmas lighting. In 2006, there were 709 fire incidents recorded in the month of December. This number was significantly reduced last year to 269. And although the numbers continue to decrease, it doesn't hurt to be vigilant in order to prevent fire.
Ito yung mga sunog na ang pinagmulan ay pyrotechnics, yung mga paggamit ng aloses, paputok. May public acceptance insofar as our public safety awareness is concerned.
Fires during this season are often attributed to faulty electrical wiring. This is brought about by either substandard materials or improper electrical connections.
Kinakailangan dito is good housekeeping. Meaning, good housekeeping, ma-separate yung pinagmumulan ng heat and at the same time yung mga materials o bagay-bagay na madaling masunog.
Materials used as well as the placement of Christmas decors are also matters to consider in keeping one's house safe.
Alam naman natin yung sunog kasi ay involves human actions palagi, So, meaning, kailangan yung iba yung pag-iingat.
According to the Bureau of Fire Prevention, 27 out of the 269 December fires reported last year are still caused by pyrotechnics. Moreover, the months of March and December have the most number of fire incidents recorded.
Meron po tayong operational readiness sa ating mga field operating units at yung pong increase ng visibility ng ating mga bumbero ay madadama po natin doon sa mga urban centers at saka sa mga malls.
Because of billions of pesos worth of properties and thousands of lives lost to fire, the public learned the hard way. The private sector and companies are taking an active role in fire prevention. Meralco has launched a newspaper ad and poster campaign to educate the public on the faulty electrical wirings and general misuse of electricity.
Ang importante lang, kaya ng load iyong electrical equipment sa iyong bahay o sa iyong building. So, kailangan
malaki yung alambre na gagamitin mo.
One of the common and clumsy mistakes of some households is octopus connections, illegal connections, and substandard wiring materials.
Dapat, every year, check sa isang qualified electrician yung lahat ng electrical facilities mo sa bahay.
Norma Lim of Policarpio Street, Mandaluyong found a better way to brighten her house and their street and still be safe from fires caused by excessive Christmas lights. Her answer? LED lights.
Unang-una kasi yung kuryente bababa, tapos maganda, medyo may kamahalan lang, pero masusulit mo dahil pangmatagalan.
LED or light-emitting diode is a special kind of indicator lights on electronic devices. Compared to the traditional Christmas lights, LED doesn't produce heat and consumes less electricity. A plus factor, according to Mrs. Lim, is it is also more beautiful.
Sa umpisa mahal ang pagbili mo, pero maganda naman.
Although LED lights are more expensive than traditional Christmas lights, Mrs. Lim says it's all worth it.
In the long run, makakatipid ka.
And while LED's original purpose is to indicate that electricity is flowing in electrical devices such as stereos, cellular phones, and other devices, it has found a different and solemn purpose amidst the holiday street of Policarpio. Christmas will be merrier if the public follows the tips by BFP and Meralco on fire prevention. Buy lights and electrical decorations that are approved by ICC or BPS or Bureau of Product Standards logo. Do not overload and avoid octopus connections. Remove any non-fire retardant material near the Christmas lights. Make sure that your Christmas tree is made of fire retardant materials. Always use sturdy and thick connection wires. If using firecrackers is a tradition in your family or in your neighborhood, it is safer to light a fire in a drum and throw in your favorite pyrotechniques. Unplug all electrical devices including Christmas lights when leaving home or when everyone is asleep at night. Take note of important numbers and hotlines for your safety. Do not spoil the Christmas holidays by recklessness and ignorance. Follow the tips and stay safe.